I know it's been years
since
we've hung out. I've planned a heist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sort of a heist, almost kind of like an Ocean's 12 type thing. And
okay.
we're going to need a certain person who's going to be able to do very many different things. All right?
Okay. Who's this?
Do you know anyone that can infiltrate a German soccer team?
A whole team, huh?
The whole team.
Hey, come here. Where are you from? Where'd you say you're from?
Alberta, Texas.
He's going to have to have a special knowledge in ancient cultures.
It's like some sort of seating room, maybe where all the women sat on the bench. That women were sacred in this community, so we were told.
And he's gonna be able to drive BMW, both the car, the convertible, and the motorcycle.
How I saved myself was I pulled the clutch. I just about hit the neighbor's mailbox and their car, and I popped the curb, and then I had the bike lay down on me, so.
We've got a special shotgun. Yeah.
Blend in, make it camouflage.
Yes, that would help if he's got his own, yep.
Yeah, safety. Gotta pull that trigger.
Yeah, he's gotta be able to...
Oh, I have to see
This isn't asking for much. You still know this guy?
We're 5 for 5 right now.
Okay. He's gonna have to be able to talk and charm his way with Taylor Swift.
Oh, like she wrote a song about him or something.
Yeah.
Hey Stephen, I know looks can be deceiving, but I know I saw a light in you.
Oh, that's 6 out of 6 so far. These aren't 2 different guys. It's one guy.
It's one guy.
One guy. Okay. But I said diverse. I also mean, different burger restaurants too.
Oh.
What do you think about Whataburger versus Burger King?
I love Whataburger because it's open late, but I like Burger King better.
He's got to have an appreciation for art.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna have
a gentleman. Yeah, he loves art. Loves, the more the better. Art. It's just, he likes these big floor museums.
Okay.
And,
Good.
He just likes to take in all the greatness of the art.
Yeah. Good appreciation. I don't know. I mean, that's why
I don't appreciate it. Honestly.
Yeah, honestly, I laugh all the time.
Yeah.
I don't blend in at all. What's his name?
Stevie.
Stevie! Happy birthday, Stevie!
Cheers to you. Happy 30th.
It's not the beavers or the bears or the tulips or the pears. It was not last night or
It's coming up.
hip hip.
Oh man, Drew, I think I'm feeling like raging. Oh, I feel like Hide Stevie.
Hide Stevie.
Hide Stevie. You gotta have the backwards cap to be like Hide Stevie.
We're going out tonight, boys.
We're going out tonight, Stevie. Cheers.
Hey Stephen, I know looks can be deceiving, but I know